pick it up and just drip down on my hand.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Tia
and Kira.
and today we are going to be doing our own DIY slime. So I have a wooden spoon, a plastic spoon, so I can use my gold paint and pour it in, and then I have some gold glitter, PVA glue if you can see. It smells like glue. See?
Can't see.
And then I have a spoon, a teaspoon, and some baking powder. Those. And then I have a ginormous bowl.
And we've got some contact solution. So I need to do something a little bit slightly. So I got different slime. So I'm going to make purple and pink slime. So exactly what Tia said, and I got some water for my one. But it's not to drink, it's only for the slime. So let's get started. So what's the first thing?
So the first thing we're going to do is pour the PVA glue into the mixing bowl, and we got an extra spoon to scrape out some of the PVA glue. So let's
So you basically have to put all of it.
every single bit. Splashing everywhere.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, I'm done.
Get that away. Oh.
Yeah, there's some more in my fingers. Let's put this away. Oh.
Guys, only for me, Tia doesn't have water, so I'm going to put all of this away, a little bit by little bit, and then I'm going to mix it up with my wooden spoon. Okay, that should be enough. Now it's time to mix.
Okay, so I need to add 4 tablespoons of this gold paint.
Oh my god. Put it in.
Ooh, stop
Tia, mix it in, mix it in.
Drop it into the glue. It's my fourth one, guys. I think that's it. Oh, there you go. It's not.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Oh, I'm getting some. I think this is it.
So I have to do 1 spoon, that means only 1 dig of this, of the baking soda. Is that enough? Okay, that's enough. Okay, it's bubbling.
I have to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, let's mix.
So, lucky I bumped into you, my friend.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Yeah.
Okay, you have to keep mixing until all the bubbles or lumps come out. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a while.
Yeah.
Oh, I said that wrong. It's not gonna wait. It's gonna be a while.
Guys, this is the my one.
It's popping. It's fizzing.
So crazy. Let me grab all this and then this is sauce house.
Yes, I'm nearly done.
Do you see the bubbles? It's just oozing up, guys. Do you guys, you see the bubbles oozing? I'm gonna destroy them.
I'm done. There's white, but
Mine
that's
is
not
done
going
now
to
as
be.
well. I'm almost done.
Okay, we're done.
Yay,
what's the
yay,
next
yay,
thing?
yay, 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 yay.
Okay, and now we're going to put our glitter in. So let's go. For me, only like 1 spoon each. And 2 so small ones.
So you're not seeing over. This doesn't look like gold, guys. I'm
Am I
not sure
done?
this looks like
Should I
gold.
pour it? Okay.
This doesn't look like
That's my
gold.
pink done. Purple.
Guys, look at this. It doesn't really look gold, does it to you guys? Because to me it doesn't. Does that look gold? I don't think that looks gold to me.
Woo! 2 colors. Oh. Oh, guys, I mostly see purple. Okay, I'm going to see some more pink.
How many look on Kira's
I think it's going to be bigger than purple, I think.
Oh no, I think it's just right.
Yes, fine. Okay, so that's it done, baby.
That looks, wow. That actually looks quite pretty. How did it change the color when it's just water? It's just like a liquidy water color. And then my one, you can't even see my glitter. Can I add more glitter? Because I can't even see my glitter. So I'm going to add another spoon of glitter because I can't even see my glitter in there. So.
Oh my gosh, my feet are hurting. I've been sitting on there for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I'm going to put some solution and I'm going to do 10. Okay. That's good enough. Oh, this is purple. Oh, I love it purple. That looks amazing.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm on
3.
3, 4.
Right.
Okay, now I'm going to do my 5 and then Kira's going to do her 5 and then I'm going to do my 5 again. So 1. Oh wow, that just looks. Oh wow.
These ones tinier than mine.
That was my 1. Can't tell the difference yet. 4.
These colors are so cute.
Let's see.
One more
Oh, I think this is getting a little bit thicker. And then my last drop for now. Yeah.
Okay, my
5.
turn. My other 5. Okay. 1. Okay, we're done.
I feel it doesn't feel different.
I know it doesn't.
It feels
Okay,
the
what's the next?
same.
Oh my gosh, look guys, this is how normal it looks like.
This is how wet and soaky my one is.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do, guys.
So pretty. Read the book again.
Last time it worked, but it was don't get rid.
Shall I add more glue?
Yes! More glue in the house. More glue in the house. Oh, glue. Yeah. This is literally not working.
I know.
All it is like watery.
Yeah, guys, I think this video was failed.
No, but it's good that we're going to add some more glue. And this time it's differently though. Oh.
OMG.
It feels heavy.
Does it feel different?
Yes.
It's changing the colour of your thing. Oh my gosh, is she gonna do
Oh,
that
it's
tomorrow?
everywhere.
Oh, it's gummy! Oh my gosh.
Mix.
Gonna mix. Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
What?
Oh wait, it's changing. There you go. Wait. It's still kind of gold.
No, not even anything.
I still feel the same thing.
Okay, we're gonna add more
Contact lens solution.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
Oh my
Baby.
gosh, look what happened to my spoon.
Oh no. Do you have more?
Oh,
Yes, you have more. Yes, you have some more.
Now we're just wasting all of our stuff right now.
Do you know we
This-
have more? We get some more.
It's not working. We're gonna have to accept that this is not working.
Woohoo! My colour's not coming back.
Even if this does turn into slime. Oh wait! Now it feels like it's getting heavier. You guys, even if this does turn into slime, okay now. Even if this does turn into slime, guys, I do not like the color. At least I have something fun to play with. But I don't even think I'm gonna have anything fun to play with. I think it's just a bowl of mixed colors and misery. This looks like a bowl of mixed colors and misery. In the misery of wet and sogginess. Look, so wet and soggy. I can't even pick it up with a spoon. I'm gonna try and pick it up with this spoon of paint. Look, you see all of this, wet and soggy. There is nothing happening. I think we need to ask a professional at making slime. Our dad. Because right now our mum is helping us and
This was a fail.
we're going to go back at the book and see what we did wrong, but we followed every single instruction.
Oh my gosh, this is a mess, guys. I mean, look.
Take out this spoon.
Does it like slime to you?
Oh, stretch
some
this?
it feels a bit
Right.
different.
I pick it up and just drip down on my hand.
This was a fail, and but we're going to do it next time. And we're going to make this right. This is a big waste of glue.
So guys, this was a fail. We are going to do it again and
Another time.
do a part 2 because this just doesn't look good.
Fail.
Very thumbs down.
Sorry.
See, it's even dripping off my hands right now. I'm doing thumbs down, but very thumbs down. As I said, we're going to check the book. So this was a fail, guys. Hope to see you next time.
Bye. Make sure you give us a
Thumbs up.
and
Smash
smash
that subscribe